Good morning. Today I will explain you uses of computer, or we can say that application of computer. Computer is a very useful machine. Now, question arises in your mind, why computer is useful? I will explain you today. Computer play an important role in our day-to-day life. Today, computer is used almost everywhere, such as schools, homes, shops, offices, banks, hospitals, etc. Let us study about the uses of computer at different places. If anybody asks you where it is used or tell me the application of computer, you can tell him. Uses of computer at home. How we use computer at home, I will discuss. First of all, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Study and Competition World SACW. You can search my channel SACW in YouTube. Below video, you will see the subscribe button. Please press there and press the bell icon. You will get latest video. Okay. Now, computer can be used at home for the following purposes. First, computers are used to calculate monthly expenses. Example, when your mother go to any shop, she buy many things. She can make in computer a calculator and calculate monthly expenses. Second is, computer are used to get information on any topic. If you want to know about any topic, any study material, any song, any movie, you can search on internet. This is used in computer. At home, children use computer for playing games, listening music, writing letters, watching movies, drawing pictures, etc. Computer helps you to purchase items through internet. This is popularly known as online shopping. Means computer used for online shopping. Like you can buy anything from Amazon, Flipkart. These are used for online shopping. You can purchase from your computer. It can help in doing calculation. You can use computer calculator for any calculation. You can use computer for chatting with friends. You can use computer for social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, all the chatting or video conferencing. You can use your computer. Computer are used for sending emails. If you want to send email from computer, you can easily send email. Computer is used for online exams. Nowadays, all exams are conducted on computer. All the forms are also available on computer. Next is uses of computer in school. Okay, we used computer in school. In school, computers are used for the following purposes. First is Computer helps in school library and fees counter. If you go in your school, many schools put computer for taking fees. Computer keeps the records of students. All the records of students are available in computer. Computer help teachers to prepare the report card. Okay, your marks has been on report card through computer. Computers help teachers in preparing timetables. Computer used by teachers to explain our lessons in an interesting way. Like, I can give you example. If you are reading about science, our body, now then teacher can explain you from projector or from computer the structure of your body. Computers are used by students to prepare projects, draw pictures, do calculations, etc. Computers are used for doing practical work in lab. Okay. Like if you want to learn about computer, you can go computer lab. Next, third is uses of computer in offices. How we use computer in offices? Computer are used in offices for. First is computers are used for typing and printing documents. If your boss has given you many work, you can type on computer, you can print from computer, okay? Computers are used for sending and receiving messages through email. Any important mail coming from company, they can send mail or they can receive mail, okay? Through this, computers are used for giving training and speeches. All the presentations are made on computer. Computer helps in keeping records of office employees, sales, events, and much more. Computers are helping to work with each other. If many groups are present, they can work each other from computer. Have you listened about Zoom? They can conduct meeting from Zoom. Computers are used for calculating salary record. If you do from a pen, you will take many time. But if you use computer, it will take less time. Next is uses of computer in banks. Computers are used in banks for, first is computers are used in banks to keep the details of customer. All the details are kept in computer. Second point is computers are used to withdraw cash from ATM. Okay. Computer helps in keeping records of the money deposit in bank. If you deposit your money, you will get a passbook. They also print from computer. Computers are used for internet banking, which has been very useful for customer. Internet banking is very important nowadays. You can do anything from internet banking. You can recharge, you can buy anything, you can make FD, you can do many works in internet banking. Next is uses of computer in hospitals. How we use computer in hospital? Let us discuss. Computers are used in hospital for, first is computers help doctors to get information about diseases and medicines. Second is computer helps in keeping records of all the patients in the hospital. Third is computer also help the doctor in performing operation and surgeries. Many instrument uses computer. They can check your heart from computer, or many reports are present in computer. Computer are used to prepare medical reports of the patients. Next is computer are used for medical test. You see, when you go to hospital, you see all the tests do from computer. Next is uses of computer in shops. Now, let us discuss how we use computer in shops. Let's start. Computers are used in shops for shopkeepers use computers to prepare bills for customers. Second is computers are used to keep details about products and prices of different items. When you go in any mall, you see all the bill payment done by computer. Okay. Computers are used to calculate and prepare bills quickly without making mistakes. Next is computer can keep all the record of customer. Computers are used for making huge signboards of shops and hotel. Next important thing is uses of computer at airport and railway station. Computers are also used in airport and railway station. Now let us start. Computers help in giving information about the arrival and departure timing of train and flight. You can see on IRCTC website all the arrival and departure of train from computer or laptop or on your mobile phones. Next is computers help in reservation and cancellation of rail and air tickets. Now, you can do your reservation from your computer. You need not to go the railway station. You will in home, you can do ticket, you can get ticket. Okay. Computer help in keeping records of all the passengers. All the details are present on computers. Next is computer can also help to track the location and direction of the trains and aeroplanes. Next is uses of computer in designing and animation. Computers are also used in designing and animation. Do you know about designing and animation? You see in diary or you see in calendar animation, like you see cartoon movies. we use animation in cartoon movies. Let's start. First is computers are used by architects in designing buildings, houses and bridges. Second point is computers are used by engineers in designing cars, aeroplanes and machines. Next is third point is computers are also used in designing clothes, shoes and jewelry, etc. Example, if you wear t-shirt, there are different prints. Where it from? This is done by computer. All the designing work from computer. Next is computer are used for making cartoons and animated movies. You will see animated movies like Disney World. These are also made in computer. All the animation done by computer. Next is computers are helpful in designing advertisement, animation, movies and a lot of things. Okay, all the advertisement done in computer. All these things are done in computer. You can watch movie, you can animate movie, you can design anything, you can advertise anything. Next, uses of computer in scientific research and defense. This is also important. Computers are very useful for scientists in designing robots and gadgets. Have you seen robots? They uses computer. Computer helps in forecasting the weather. Next is computer help scientists in their research work. Many scientists use computer for research work. Computer also help in launching and controlling of missiles and rockets. All the launchings are from computer. Controlling also from computer. Next is computer help in establishing connection between the soldiers and their commanders through satellites. Okay. What are satellites? You read satellites in science classes. Okay. I will discuss in science classes. Computers help in building weapons and controlling their functions. Now next is uses of computer in space research. Now how we use computer in space research? Its answer is computer are used in space research. First is computer are used in launching and controlling satellites, rockets and missiles. Computer helps scientists in doing research, designing robots and forecasting weather. Next is, that is also important, uses of computer in publishing industries. Computers are used for designing the books, newspaper, magazines, etc. All the books are made from computer. All the corrections, all these things are made from computer. Computers are used for printing the books, newspaper, magazines, etc. Next is uses of computer in learning new skills. Okay, now let us discuss. Computer help in learning new skills such as learning cooking, different languages, etc. If you want to try something new, You can search on YouTube. Okay. Computers help in learning how to drive a car, etc. Now, this is the last topic, uses of computer in police station. In police station, computers are also used. How it is used? Let us discuss. In police station, computers are used for various purposes. Like first is, computers are used for keeping records of criminals. All the records present in computer. Second is helps in maintaining fingerprints and makes planning to catch criminal. Today I discuss many areas where we use computer. If you have any query, you can discuss on our WhatsApp number 9335 352053. You can WhatsApp on that number. You can join our Telegram group also. In next video, we will discuss class 2nd chapter 7 more about keyboard. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel Study and Competition World, and also follow on Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter. Below video you will see subscribe button. Please press there. After pressing you will see subscribed, and press the bell icon also. You will get latest video. Thank you so much.